The best telescopes of 2023. Explore the cosmos. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest reviews on all sorts of gadgets and gizmos. Today, we have something truly exciting for all the astronomy enthusiasts out there. We'll be counting down the top 6 best telescopes of 2023, perfect for stargazing and exploring the wonders of the night sky. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Celestron NexStar 8SE. Kicking off our list at number 1, we have the Celestron NexStar 8SE. This beauty is an absolute powerhouse with an 8-inch aperture and cutting-edge Schmidt-Cassegrain optics, which means it can gather a significant amount of light, resulting in brighter and clearer images. The large aperture also allows you to observe a wide variety of celestial objects, from planets and the moon to distant galaxies and nebulae. One of the standout features of the NexStar 8SE is its NexStar technology. This advanced computerized system simplifies the alignment process, ensuring you spend less time setting up and more time observing. With just a few simple steps, the telescope can automatically align itself with the night sky, locating and tracking objects without manual adjustments. The NexStar 8SE comes with a sturdy and reliable tripod, providing stability during observation sessions. The telescope's motorized mount allows for precise tracking of objects as they move across the sky, keeping them within your field of view for extended periods. Additionally, this telescope features a user-friendly hand controller that enables you to access a vast database of celestial objects. It includes an array of impressive features such as the SkyAlign technology, allowing you to align the telescope using any 3 bright stars. Unistellar eVscope. Coming in at number 2, we have the Unistellar eVscope. This telescope takes stargazing to a whole new level with its groundbreaking enhanced vision technology. It's perfect for city dwellers or anyone facing light pollution challenges. The eVscope utilizes image stacking and advanced algorithms to enhance faint objects, revealing details that would otherwise be difficult to see with traditional telescopes. Equipped with a 4.5-inch aperture and an integrated Sony CMOS sensor, this telescope doubles as a powerful astrophotography tool. You can capture awe-inspiring astrophotos directly on your smartphone or tablet with the eVscope's dedicated app. It's the perfect blend of modern technology and traditional astronomy, making it an excellent choice for tech-savvy stargazers. The eVscope is incredibly portable, with a compact and lightweight design, allowing you to take it on the go and explore various observing locations. Unistellar eQuinox II. Up next at number 3, we have another gem from Unistellar, the eQuinox II. This telescope is designed for serious astronomers who seek exceptional performance. With its large 6-inch aperture and high-quality optics, the eQuinox II delivers stunning views of celestial objects with remarkable clarity and detail. What sets the eQuinox II apart is its advanced image processing capabilities. It utilizes Unistellar's proprietary technology to enhance and reveal more details in the images, bringing out the best in your observing sessions. Whether you're viewing planets, star clusters, or distant galaxies, this telescope will leave you in awe of the universe's wonders. The eQuinox II is also equipped with a user-friendly hand controller, enabling you to access a vast database of celestial objects, including Messier objects, NGC catalog, and more. Its built-in Wi-Fi and capability with the Unistellar app allow for easy updates and access to additional features, enhancing your stargazing experience even further. Orion StarBlast II 4.5 EQ. Moving on to number 4, we have the Orion StarBlast II 4.5 EQ. This telescope strikes a perfect balance between performance and affordability, making it an excellent entry-level option for beginners or those on a budget. With its 4.5-inch aperture, the StarBlast II gathers ample light to provide detailed views of the moon's craters, the planets in our solar system, and various deep sky objects. Its equatorial mount ensures smooth tracking, allowing you to follow objects as they move across the sky. The telescope comes with 2 eyepieces, providing different magnification options for versatile observation. Its portable and compact design makes it easy to transport to your favorite stargazing spots, and the included accessory tray adds convenience for storing eyepieces and other tools. The StarBlast II 4.5 EQ is an ideal telescope for beginners who want to explore the night sky and learn the fundamentals of astronomy. It's a budget-friendly choice that doesn't compromise on quality and will surely ignite your passion for stargazing. Celestron Inspire 100AZ. Coming in at number 5, we have the Celestron Inspire 100AZ. This refractor telescope boasts a 100mm aperture, which provides impressive views of the moon's craters, planets, and even some of the brighter deep sky objects. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry, making it an excellent choice for on-the-go stargazing adventures. It comes with a smartphone adapter that allows you to capture photos and videos of your observations. You can share your celestial discoveries with friends and family, all while nurturing your interest in astronomy. Equipped with an altazimuth mount, the telescope is incredibly easy to navigate, making it suitable for both children and adults. It's a fantastic choice for families who want to explore the night sky together and create lasting memories. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a hassle-free telescope, the Celestron Inspire 100AZ offers a delightful stargazing experience, helping you connect with the wonders of the universe in a fun and accessible way. Skywatcher Flextube. Last but not least, at number 6, we have the Skywatcher Flextube. This innovative telescope is perfect for astronomers who crave portability without compromising on performance. The Flextube's 10-inch aperture provides exceptional light-gathering capabilities, allowing for breathtaking views of deep sky objects and planets. Whether you're observing galaxies, nebulae, or star clusters, this telescope ensures you see them in impressive detail. Its collapsible design makes it easy to transport and set up, which is ideal for those who like to explore various observing locations or travel to dark sky sites. The telescope's unique design also eliminates the need for additional tube rings and dovetails, streamlining the setup process. After all, this Skywatcher Flextube is designed for convenience and versatility. Its user-friendly features and high-performance optics make it a popular choice among experienced astronomers and astrophotographers. And that concludes our list of the top 6 best telescopes of 2023. Each of these telescopes brings something unique to the table, catering to different interests and levels of expertise in astronomy. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more information and current prices.